In this video, we recorded a large-scale repairing work at an apartment building in Kanagawa Ward, Yokohama. We are going to show you the entire course of our painting work. After building a scaffold, the first thing we did was sealing. We are replacing the old ceiling before painting. We've replaced ceilings on the entrance door, post box, and areas around window sashes. The ceiling on the tiles of the exterior wall should be replaced too. Because of UV rays, the seal is more severely damaged in several places. After putting anti-rust agent in a paint, we applied intermediate and top coats on the entrance door. We are going to show you how this building has been renovated later. We do repair work as we work on the ceiling on the tiles. Then we clean it with a high-pressure water stream. We wash away stains, molds and so on with a jet water stream. We need to use chemicals on stubborn stains that won't go away. We scrub it with a nylon brush and wipe it off with towels. After the cleaning, we paint the areas behind the handrails and the upper part of the walls in the corridors. We paint iron after we scrape the rust off the surface. We paint on partitions between balconies, pedestals for air conditioners, post boxes, and so on. We replaced old fire ladders with a new one. Years ago, many of them were made of iron and were weak against rust, but nowadays those made of stainless have become the mainstream. We adopted a urethane waterproofing method on balconies. We are applying the top coat here. We put long flooring sheet on the corridor. It is a highly weather-resistant, skid-proof and erosion-resistant material, and is designed for the environment and safety. We used a highly sturdy and skid-proof material on the staircases. After 2 months of work, the building was renovated. The residents now can live there worry-free. We show you our completed work. The balcony, the entrance door, post box, the corridor, the tiles on the exterior walls, the sheet in the corridor, the staircase area, the tiles before being cleaned with chemicals, the same tiles after cleaning. The large-scale repair work for Yokohama apartment building has been completed.